They understand condition. He even studying for food and shelter. On seeing his condition, he soon desired a new visit.
Sorry, I can't help it.
Excuse me, madam. Good morning. Do you have any work to do?
Hey, hello, who are you? What do you want? Why are you standing here?
Madam, since from so many days there is nothing to eat, madam. Do you have any work to do?
There is no food here. We can go back.
Madam, please give me some work to do, madam.
There is no work here. You better to go from here.
Madam, there is no food to eat, madam. Please give me some work.
Hey, have you seen your face? You are looking like a mad fellow.
Please, madam.
Hey, go in. Hey, don't come here.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning. Do you have any work to do?
No, I don't have any work.
Sir, please, sir, give me some work to do. There is no food to eat. So many days, sir. Please give me some work to do.
I don't have any work.
Sir, please, sir, give me some work to do.
I have some work, but I can't give for you.
Sir, I will do that work, sir. Please give me, sir.
Else, I need someone to go out into my fields and take my pigs. You must take them, but you may not